How to copy product link from Shein app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can copy product links from Shein app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is install your Shein app. If you do not have it, you can download it from your App Store or Google Play Store. After you've downloaded your Shein app, make sure that you're logged into your account. After you've done that, you can browse through your Shein app for the product that you'd like. After you find a product that you'd like, you'll simply need to open it up. And after you open it up, you will see the details of your products. Now, to copy the product link, what you need to do is search for the share option. Now, usually it's on the top right corner right here. So tap on that option. And here you will see different options such as where you can share it. You can share it to your Facebook, your WhatsApp, messages, Twitter, and Instagram. And there is also an option to copy the link. So tap on copy link. And after you tap on copy link, you will be able to paste the copied link of the product to the person that you want to send. So if you want to send it to your friend on Instagram, simply open up your Instagram, head over to the friend's DMs and paste it and send it. And yeah, that is how you can copy your product link from Shein app. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.